Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT KingKong 6. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of CUBOT. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, select all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to selected at the bottom. Tap on Got It in Here's Some Div pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, tap on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. Then scan this QR code if you want to instead of inputting the key by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide. Closing an ad. Allowing camera access and pointing your CUBOT's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!